What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in. Here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release October 18th. But before we get into that review, I want to take a quick look at another upcoming Jordan release. Here we have the Air Jordan Retro 3 Fear Pack releasing November 25th. This is in hand and shipping out now on FineLine1721.com. So if you want to pick this pair up early, head over to the website and do so. Also have a full review live on the channel if you want to check it out. And now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Getting right into the box, as you can see, we have the standard Air Jordan Retro 1 box. Inverted colors, all red with the black Nike branding. Taking a look at the label, Women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, black, university red, and white. Size 11.5 we're going to be taking a look at. Now once you take the lid off, got the all black dust bag with the red Jumpman logo. Let's go ahead and peel that paper back and let's get into the shoe. And now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 1 High OG Satin Bred. Now, as soon as you open the box, you are greeted with the dust bag, which is one of 2 accessories that these come with. The second accessory will come in the form of an extra pair of laces, all red laces with the chrome tips, as you can see here. And now that we got the accessories out of the way, let's go ahead and take a deeper dive into the shoe. Starting off with that top-down view, got the all black satin sock liner, all red insole with the black Nike Air branding, all black tongue, red Nike Air branding sitting on the top. Now these come factory laced with black laces. Got the all chrome tips with the Jumpman logo sitting on it, just like the red ones. Now going around to the lateral side of the shoe, as you can see, we have the standard Air Jordan Retro 1 Bred color blocking. Going beyond the obvious, we do have a few minor details that makes this shoe a little bit different than the standard leather Retro 1. The first key difference is we have the metal eyelets replacing the standard punch holes. Also taking a look at the Nike sign, we have a stitch overlay or a stitch border going around the whole Nike sign, and also on the back of the shoe around the ankle we have a stitched in Air Jordan wing logo instead of the embossed painted logo. We got the classic all white midsole sitting on top of the red bottom. It's nothing special about the heel. Going around to the medial side of the shoe, same exact way as the lateral, metal eyelets, the stitch overlay on the Nike sign. Now taking that last quick 360, and that about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 1 Satin Bred. This is a women exclusive, which will only be releasing up to a size 12 in women, which would make it a size 10.5 in men. So basically, if you are a 3.5 up into a 10.5, you will be able to pick these joints up. If you're interested in this pair and you want to secure you one early, please head over to the website FineLine1721.com. They will be shipping out early. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on X, formerly known as Twitter. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.